There's a beautiful narration that takes place in Bible and Quran. On the day of resurrection, a person will be in front of God, and God will ask him, I was sick, and you didn't come to see me. I was hungry, and you didn't feed me. I was thirsty, you didn't give me anything to drink. I needed help, you didn't help me. The person will ask God, how can I help you? How can I give you food? How can I give you water? And how can I give you clothes? Because you are the Lord of the Lords. And God will say to me back, you know, so-and-so was sick. If you were going to see and visit him, you knew that I was there with him. So-and-so was hungry, so-and-so was thirsty, and so-and-so needed help. If you were going to give him help, or give him water, or give him food, you knew that I was there with him. So this is our common cause as Muslims and Christians. Especially in the month of Ramadan, we try to cultivate this more than other months. The month of Ramadan is all about empathy. Actually, we taste hungriness and thirstiness for a couple of hours, but there are a lot of people around the world that don't have a second option. We do that voluntarily, but a lot of people do that because they don't have another option. The month of Ramadan is a month of empathy where we, at least for 15 or 10 or 15 hours, we start thinking for others as well. And this is a good thing because it gives us the energy and understanding that, yes, there are people who need and we don't need actually. Sometimes we forget that we live in a society, in a community, in a country that has luxury standards according to the others. We forget how blessed we are. The only way how to remember this is actually to see how these people are struggling for water and food and other basics. We are grateful for everything that God has given us. And we are grateful for the month of Ramadan that God has made it for us to come back to this nature, to come back to the nature of giving, not taking. And the other way how to be thankful, how to be grateful towards God is to take an action, is to give. And I would like to thank Sidra, I would like to thank school, I would like to thank your team for this amazing organization. You reminded us that we need to give, not only to take. May Allah bless you, and may God unite us together as Muslims and Christians in these good causes. Thank you.
Everyone, now we're going to do just a really quick activity for us to realise the difference between us and the world around us. Please stand if you have clean running water in your house.